Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today, we shall learn about the sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So, to perform this activity, means this experiment, we are today well prepared. For that purpose, we have some filter paper, one beaker, one measuring cylinder, one flask and other some in this mug. Mud and water has been mixed. Okay, and before starting this experiment, I want to say you this experiment is applicable in the case of insoluble substances. It will not be applicable in the case of soluble substances. So you know that mud is insoluble substances in water. So that's why we shall proceed. Now see, previously we prepared this water, mud and water mix we prepared, and we poured it in this beaker and we kept it for near about 10 minutes without any disturbance. Undisturbed, we kept it 10 minutes. Now actually we required more time, but for some reason we can't use more time. We kept it up to 10 minutes only. So after keeping it 10 minutes, you can see the mud particles are settled down at the bottom of the container. Mud particles are settled down at the bottom of the container. So this process means the settling down of this insoluble substances at the bottom of the container is called sedimentation. Now we shall proceed for the decantation. What is decantation? Now we have to pour the clean water. Actually it is not fully clean water. Some little mud particles are there, and if we keep it undisturbed for more than 1 hour, then near about 90% clean water we will get. But as we can't use more time, that's why we use it only 10 minutes. Okay, so now we'll perform the decantation. What is decantation? Actually pouring out the clean water. See how we are pouring out this one very slowly we have to pour it. We should not disturb the mud particles which has been settled. See, now you can see the mud, but if we pour more water, now see, now you can see only mud particles are left behind, and in this test tube this is the clean water. But now you can see it is not fully it is fully clean water. To make it full clean water, we have to perform filtration. So sedimentation complete, decantation complete. Now we shall proceed for the filtration. So what is filtration? Wait 1 minute. So to perform this filtration, we need filter paper. This is filter paper, and it is a bunch of filter paper, and we have to keep one filter paper from here. We have to just a minute. Okay, we have taken one filter paper. So this filter paper we have to fold like this manner. Okay, like this manner we have to fold it. But as we already folded and we have kept it, so one filter paper, this is the filter paper, we have kept it. So more filter paper we will not use. So now what we will do, Now that water, during decantation, what water we have collected, that water we will pour. Now see, after some time what will happen. Oh, sorry. See, drop water is falling, and after some time I will show you how clean this water is. If we collect it in another test tube, then you can understand. Now you can see how clean water it is. See, totally clean water. Okay, no sand, no soil particles are present. So this is the filtration. Okay, so sedimentation, decantation, and filtration, these three procedure has been finished. And if we collect more water, you will see that fully clean water it is, full clean water. Okay, so that water we see, you can see the differences. See this water and this water, you can see the difference. Okay, and after some time if we see, we will see that on filter paper this mud particles has attached. Okay, so this is the matter, and this experiment has been finished. Okay, so if you like this experiment, please comment, share, and obviously subscribe. Thank you.